Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore shifter settings to default on your HORI Chuck control system. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the Device Manager app made by HORI. The tutorials on our channel on how to download the app. Here, let's click on the shifter and now click on the Restore to Default. Now it will ask you if you want to revert to default settings. You simply click OK and now everything's back to normal. So as you guys can see, we are in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, now sixth, and now we're in the reverse. So that's basically how it looks like. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.